Metals like aluminum, iron, and zinc do not react with cold or hot water, but they react with steam to form A. Metal hydroxide and oxygen, metal oxide and carbon dioxide, metal oxide and hydrogen, metal peroxide and nitrogen. When metals like aluminum, iron, zinc react with steam, it produces metal oxide and hydrogen. Metals do not react with water at all. A. Gold, B. Silver, C. Copper, D. All of the above. Gold, silver, and copper, these three do not react with water. So the answer is D. All of the above. Which solution is a reagent that is able to dissolve gold and platinum? A. Aqua regia, B. Nitric acid, C. Sulfuric acid, D. Hydrochloric acid. The solution which dissolves gold and platinum is aqua regia. Aqua regia is a freshly prepared mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and concentrated nitric acid in the ratio of 3:1. This solution is also called royal water. Take the samples of aluminum, zinc, lead, copper, iron, magnesium and sodium, burn them on direct flame and collect the samples and answer the below questions. In these metals, which metal burn easily? Magnesium will burn easily. What flame color did you observe when metal burned? You observe blue color. How does the metal surface appear after burning? Magnesium metal becomes magnesium oxide, which is a silver white powder. So it is in silver white color. Arrange the metals in the decreasing order of their reactivity towards oxygen. Among these metals, highly reactive metal is sodium and then magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, lead and then copper. Are the products soluble in water? Oxides of aluminum, lead, copper, magnesium, zinc and iron are insoluble in water, but sodium oxide is soluble in water. The compounds formed by the transfer of electrons from a metal to a non-metal are known as A. Metallic compounds, B. Acids, C. Molecular compounds, D. Ionic compounds. Transfer of electrons from a metal to a non-metal are known as ionic compounds. Which metals react vigorously even with cold water? A. Sodium and potassium, B. Gold and silver, C. Aluminum and copper, D. All of the above. Sodium and potassium are the metals which react vigorously even with cold water. So the answer is option A. Write equations for the reactions of iron with steam, calcium and potassium with water. When iron reacts with steam to form iron oxide and hydrogen. When calcium reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Potassium reacts violently with cold water to form potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Which gas is produced when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to a reactive metal? Write the chemical reaction when iron reacts with dilute H2SO4. When metal reacts with hydrochloric acid, it liberates hydrogen gas. When iron reacts with H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, it gives iron sulfate and hydrogen gas. Which metals are found in the free state from Earth's crust? A. Zinc and iron, B. Gold and silver, C. Lead and potassium, D. None of the above. Gold and silver will obtain in free state from Earth's crust. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.